G'day guys, we're just going to take a look at cutting profiles, dowels, piping with a jigsaw. And sometimes when you try to do that with a flat base plate, it's hard to keep it straight. And even on something like a rebate like that, if you wanted to get into that corner to take a piece out, it can be difficult. So a solution to that is with a Carvex base plate, we've got one that's adjustable. And that's adjustable for both internal and external applications. So for example, if we had this doweling here where we needed to take a cut out of it, we can then adjust this base plate so we get the best bearing points, so it allows us to cut straight, and that way we're not moving around with the jigsaw. Equally with something like a rebate, trying to cut into there, it's another one where we can adjust that to our 90 degrees. So it's a really good solution when you're working with different profiles to be able to cut them easily.